Hello, and welcome back to English Listening Stories. Today's story is calm, slow, and easy to follow for English learners, so please relax and enjoy listening. Tonight, Emma and her friend Lucas arrive at a busy airport after a very long flight. They are tired, hungry, and ready to leave the airport. But first, they must wait in long lines, pass immigration, and find their luggage. Along the way, they have small problems, quiet conversations, and real travel moments that many people understand. Here is today's listening question. What drink does Lucas buy at the airport cafe? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And when you hear the answer, write it in the comments later. Writing your answer can help you remember new English more easily.
This line is going so slowly.
Yeah, I think 3 flights landed at the same time.
Probably. The airport feels so crowded tonight.
It really does.
I'm exhausted.
Same here.
Did you sleep at all on the plane?
Not really. Maybe 1 hour?
1 hour is better than me.
You didn't sleep?
I tried, but the guy behind me kept talking.
Oh no.
And the baby near us cried for almost 2 hours.
Yeah, that was rough.
I feel completely dead right now.
Honestly, I just want coffee and a shower.
Same. In that order.
Good plan.
How much longer do you think this will take?
Maybe 20 more minutes.
20 minutes feels like forever right now.
At least the line is moving a little now.
A little, very little.
You sound so tired.
I am tired. My brain stopped working somewhere over the ocean.
Mine stopped working after the second airplane meal.
Don't remind me about the food.
Hey, the bread was okay.
Lucas, no it wasn't.
Fair enough.
I can't wait to get outside.
Yeah, fresh air will feel amazing.
And a real bed.
That too.
You know what feels strange?
What?
Airports at night never feel real to me.
I know what you mean. It feels like everyone is half asleep.
Exactly.
We're almost there.
I hope so.
Hey, at least we made the flight.
Barely.
Still counts.
True.
Okay, good news. The line is moving faster now.
Finally.
You good?
Yeah, just tired.
Same. Let's survive immigration first.
Look at that little kid over there.
Yeah, he really doesn't want to be here anymore.
Honestly, same.
The parents look exhausted too.
Everyone here looks exhausted.
Airports after midnight always feel strange.
They do.
It's like nobody knows what time it is anymore.
Exactly.
That guy near the wall is sleeping standing up.
Oh, wow, he actually is.
I respect it.
Honestly, I understand it.
Travel days are always long.
Especially international flights.
Yeah, your whole body gets confused.
My brain still thinks it's morning.
Mine thinks it's 3 different times at once.
That sounds about right.
Do you travel well normally?
Not really. I get tired very fast.
Same here.
I like arriving somewhere.
But not the travel part?
Exactly.
Yeah, it's fair.
What about you?
I usually travel okay, unless something goes wrong.
That sounds dangerous already.
Last year, I almost missed a flight in Amsterdam.
Really?
Yeah, I was drinking coffee and completely forgot the time.
Lucas.
I know, it was bad.
Did you make the flight?
Barely. They were closing the gate when I arrived.
That sounds stressful.
It really was.
I think airports make people lose common sense.
Especially after long flights.
And no sleep.
Definitely no sleep.
Oh, look at that couple.
The ones arguing near the line?
Yeah,
They probably had a long day too.
true.
Airports are emotional places.
That's actually true.
People are tired, stressed, excited, all at the same time.
And everyone just wants to get somewhere.
Exactly.
You know what sounds amazing right now?
Let me guess. Coffee?
Hot coffee and quiet.
That sounds perfect.
And maybe food that isn't from an airplane.
Okay, now you're asking too much from tonight.
Fair point.
Hey, good news again.
What?
We're getting close to the front now.
Finally.
We survived the longest part.
I hope you're right.
Okay, we're getting close now.
Yeah, I should probably check my documents again.
Good idea.
Passport, boarding pass, arrival form.
You have everything?
I think so. Wait,
What happened?
my phone battery is almost dead.
How dead is almost dead?
2%.
Oh, that's serious.
I need the hotel address on my phone.
Didn't you save it earlier?
I did, but now I can't find it.
Let me see.
Everything looks different when I'm tired.
Yeah, tired airport brain is real.
I swear it was here before.
Check your messages maybe.
Good idea.
Scroll up a little.
Wait, no, that's the restaurant reservation.
Not important right now.
Definitely not important right now.
Keep going.
There are too many messages.
You text a lot.
Not helping Lucas.
Sorry.
Wait a second.
Did you find it?
No, but I found photos of my dog.
Also not helpful.
He looks cute though.
Focus. Immigration first, dog later.
Right.
Oh, wait, check that message from yesterday.
Which one?
The one from Sophie.
Oh,
Is it there?
yeah, I found it.
Nice.
Okay. Hotel address, booking number, everything's here.
Perfect.
I should probably take a screenshot.
Definitely, before your phone dies completely.
Good point.
You good now?
Yeah, much better.
See? Small problem, easy fix.
Easy for you, maybe.
Okay, we're getting close now.
Yeah, I should probably check my documents again.
Good evening.
Good evening.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you.
No problem.
Where are you arriving from today?
Bangkok.
Long flight?
Very long.
I can imagine.
I think I forgot what normal sleep feels like.
That happens a lot here.
I believe it.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a vacation.
How long are you staying?
5 days.
And where will you stay?
At the Riverside Hotel near the city center.
Do you have the address with you?
Yes, 1 second.
Take your time.
Thank you. Okay, here it is.
Perfect.
My phone almost died earlier.
Airport days are hard on phone batteries.
And people batteries.
Very true.
This airport is really busy tonight.
Yeah, several international flights arrived close together.
That explains the line.
At least it's moving faster now.
Thankfully.
Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm traveling with a friend.
Did you arrive together?
Yes, but we had different passport lines.
Got it.
He's probably already finished.
Hopefully he found coffee somewhere.
Honestly, that's probably his first priority.
Fair enough.
I think coffee is everyone's priority tonight.
You're probably right.
I saw someone sleeping while standing earlier.
That's surprisingly common here,
Airports are strange places.
especially after midnight.
Definitely.
All right, everything looks good so far.
Great.
I just need one more thing.
Sure.
Do you have your return ticket?
Yes, I do. 1 second.
No rush.
Okay, here it is.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right, just a few more questions.
Sure.
Did you have a connecting flight today?
Sorry?
Did you have a connecting flight?
Oh, yes. Sorry.
No problem.
It's really noisy in here.
Yeah, it gets loud around this time.
And my brain is still on airplane mode.
I hear that joke at least twice a day.
Honestly, I'm not surprised.
So, your connecting flight, where was it?
In Doha.
Was everything on time?
Actually, no.
Oh?
My connecting flight was delayed for almost 2 hours.
That's rough.
Yeah, the airport was packed too.
Travel has been very busy lately.
I noticed.
Did you wait at the airport the whole time?
Yeah, mostly near the gate.
At least you made the flight eventually.
Barely. They changed the gate at the last minute.
Oh, that's always stressful.
Especially when you're tired.
Definitely.
I think everyone at the gate looked half asleep.
International travel will do that to people.
Very true.
All right, one last question.
Okay.
Are you carrying any food or large amounts of cash?
Sorry, could you say that again?
Of course. Are you carrying any food or large amounts of cash?
Oh, no.
All right.
Sorry again.
No need to apologize. You're doing fine.
Thanks. I think I'm just tired.
Understandable after a flight like that.
Yeah, it's been a long day.
All right. Everything looks good.
Great.
You're all set.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a good night.
You too. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks, I will.
There you are.
Finally.
How did it go?
Honestly, pretty smooth.
See, I told you.
The officer was nice.
That helps a lot.
He even joked about coffee.
Okay, that's a good officer right there.
Did you finish a long time ago?
Maybe 10 minutes ago.
And you already got coffee.
Of course.
Wow, efficient.
I take airport coffee very seriously.
I can see that.
I bought one for you too.
Wait, really?
Yeah,
Lucas, you're my favorite person right now.
understandable.
This smells amazing.
Careful, it's hot.
Honestly, this already makes the night feel better.
Coffee fixes many problems.
Not airplane seats, though.
Sadly, no.
Did your immigration line move fast?
Faster than expected.
Lucky.
You had the slower line?
Definitely.
At least it's over now.
Yeah, I finally feel relaxed.
Same here.
Now we just need our bags.
Hopefully they survived the trip better than we did.
Honestly, my suitcase probably got more sleep than me.
That's probably true.
Which bag is yours again?
The dark blue one with the orange tag.
Right. Yours is the black suitcase?
Yeah, with the small sticker on the side.
Got it. Oh, wait, I think that's yours.
Where?
Near the corner.
Oh, yeah, that's mine.
Nice. One down.
Your turn now.
I hope it comes soon.
What do you want first after we leave?
Food. Real food.
Good answer.
Then sleep for 12 hours.
Also a very good answer.
What about you?
Honestly, a shower and silence.
That sounds perfect right now.
Hey, look.
Oh, that's my bag.
Nice. We made it.
We actually did.
All right, let's get out of this airport. This taxi feels amazing after the airport.
Seriously, I finally feel calm now.
Same.
The city looks nice at night.
Yeah, very quiet though.
I think quiet is exactly what I need right now.
Fair.
Tonight felt so long.
It really did.
First, we had that delayed flight.
Right, 2 extra hours at the airport.
Then we rushed to the next gate.
And almost got lost.
Honestly, that airport was huge.
Way too huge. After that, we landed and saw the giant immigration line.
That line looked endless at first.
I thought we would be there forever.
Same. Then my phone almost died.
Oh yeah, the famous 2% battery moment.
That was stressful for no reason.
At least we found the hotel address.
True. Honestly, everything worked out fine in the end.
Yeah, it felt worse in my head.
Travel days usually do.
The immigration officer was much nicer than I expected, too.
Most of them are pretty normal.
I know. I think people just imagine the worst sometimes.
Especially when they're tired.
Definitely. What was the hardest part for you?
Honestly, the waiting.
Not the questions?
No, the waiting made everything feel longer.
That makes sense. What about you?
The airplane food.
Lucas,
I'm serious.
you survived.
Barely.
You're so dramatic.
Maybe a little.
Still, I'm glad we're finally here.
Me too.
Tomorrow will feel much better after sleep.
And real breakfast.
Very important.
We should explore the city after lunch tomorrow.
Yeah, that sounds nice.
No airports tomorrow.
Thank goodness.
Just food, coffee, and walking around.
That already sounds perfect.
See? The hardest part is over now.
Yeah, now we can finally relax.
Exactly.
Hey, thanks for helping me earlier,
Of course.
especially with the phone situation.
Team effort.
Still, I appreciate it.
Anytime. Welcome to London.
Emma and Lucas finally leave the airport, feeling calm, tired, and relieved. It was a long night. They had delays, long lines, airport noise, and very little sleep. But step by step, everything worked out in the end. And you listened through the whole story in English. That is something to feel proud of. Even small listening practice helps your English grow little by little. So take your time, stay relaxed, and keep going. Now, let's go back to today's listening question. What drink did Lucas buy at the airport cafe? If you know the answer, write it in the comments below. Writing your answer is great practice. It also helps you remember the story and new vocabulary longer. And if this story helped you feel calmer and more confident with English listening, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow, relaxing, real-life conversations. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more gentle English stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening with us today. Take care, keep practicing, and we will see you again very soon in English Listening Stories.